some of the beautiful moments that you're going to get, particularly in the morning. I mean, the flies are out already. Just magic. Good morning, everyone. So we're on day 3. And yeah, not exactly a smooth start, but we're now cranking through. We've got feet under control. Brianne's doing fantastic. And today we're off to Beraking. So we're going to be leaving. She's doing great. So we're leaving Helena, which is the hut behind me, which was beautiful. So great job to the Bib Track volunteers who have rebuilt this one after a fire a few years ago. I can't remember the exact date. And it is amazing. The earth rammed absolutely has great insulation properties. So we'll be leaving Helena and we'll be making our way through to Wailee. At Wailee we hope there's water. We got absolutely smashed yesterday with no water at Ball Creek. We had water with us, but it just made it to here and it wasn't very pleasant. We got absolutely blessed by some wind, which kept things a bit cooler and a bit overcast. So that was the saving grace yesterday, but yeah, in particular, I felt it very badly. We got here, had the most beautiful water in the world, and that's not just because I was really dying for a drink. It was absolutely beautiful. So Helena Hut, we'll leave here through to Wailee, hopefully get some water, and continue through to Beraking by the end of day 3.
Oh, stiff.
Yes, we are very stiff when we get started in the morning, but we actually loosen up very quickly. So, yep.
Yeah.
Still enjoying it?
Yes, definitely.
There were a few words yesterday that were not very encouraging, weren't they? At about 20 something Ks. No water. No, we had water. Not much. Okay. Until tonight. So a little bit of rough terrain this morning. We've got the rain packs out. We actually waited for the rain to stop and hasn't restarted yet. But yep, just giving you an idea of some of the track conditions, and I've got to concentrate, so I had to stop to take the footage. The magic. Now 3 seconds after I took that last video, it rained. But it was nice light rain. The only thing is it's wet all the plants, so we're getting a bath every time we go through. But hey, a bath is good when hiking, right? Look at that magic. Oh, perfect hiking weather. Just some of the beauty of the track. We just went past where we could see where the hut we stayed last night at Helena was. But just look at this bush. I mean, it's so beautiful. Miss B is eating again. Well, I remember we've never enjoyed dinner so much last night. We had the tomato and basil Uncle Ben's rice, 2 packets with a half a salami. Oh my God. Not only did it lose 610 grams between all of that, but it was so yummy. 3 very happy bellies getting into bed last night. Well worth it. We're all feeling pretty good today. I had a blister on my heel. It was going down the back of an orthopedic insert thing that I've got in. But this morning I'd popped it, drained it, and then this morning I put Fliximol, I think it's called, over it, and it's handling really well. B gives me 100%. I'm great. My blisters are fine, and she's very responsible. She knows how important our feet are. One looked perfectly gone, and the other one was still covered with adequate blister protection. So I think above all, we're doing pretty well today. All warmed up. Absolutely cracking pace this morning. And the cooler weather and the little bit of rain. Eating again, darling? No. And the rain has cooled it down, so, oh, magic. Look at this bush. Perfect. So those all-important water stops. So Brett actually manages the water handout so that we know exactly what we're carrying and who's drinking what, because I'm naughty and I don't drink enough apparently. Yep. which was clearly evidenced yesterday. This is the waggle. This little guy is part of Noongar, Aboriginal Noongar people Dreamtime, and here's a rainbow serpent. And this little guy is our trail marker for the whole of the Bibbulmun. So we're keeping an eye out. We're all three eyes. We've all spotted them and kept us on track. So yeah, all gold stars so far. Hey guys.
We had a bit of rain this morning.
We did.
And water is legendary.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good tank water in the last place.
Oh my goodness, Helena Hut's tank water is amazing. So we're all hydrated and onward we go. Oh, skinny mini bee is having trouble with her pack. It's as tight as it can go around her hips. So at the moment it's got my clean socks wedged under there so that it doesn't rub on her, but she's doing well. So we'll continue as with that and we'll see. She's smiling again, so that's good. And we're nearly at our hut for the night, so we'll get to rest.